Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee popcorn at home. First, gather all your ingredients like popcorn kernels, butter, and sugar. Ensure your kitchen is ready for the cooking process. We'll cover popping the corn, making the rich toffee, and then combining them for a delicious treat. This guide will help you achieve perfectly crisp and sweet toffee popcorn every time, ideal for sharing or enjoying yourself. Start by popping your popcorn. Aim for about 12 cups of popped corn. You can use an air popper or a large pot on the stovetop. Next, for the toffee, melt 1 cup of butter in a saucepan. Add 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring constantly, then cook it to 285 degrees Fahrenheit or the soft crack stage without stirring. Once your popcorn is ready, carefully pour the hot, golden toffee mixture over it, ensuring every kernel gets a generous coating. Use a spatula to gently fold and mix until the popcorn is evenly covered. Spread this delicious mixture onto a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper. We'll bake it at a low temperature, around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally to achieve that perfect, crisp texture. After baking, remove the toffee popcorn from the oven and let it cool completely on the baking sheet. As it cools, the toffee will harden, creating that irresistible crunch. Once fully cooled, break the popcorn apart into individual, bite-sized pieces. This makes it easy to serve and enjoy. It's perfect for movie nights or as a sweet snack. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.